welcome back to another video. In today's video we will be talking about uh, we were talking about 30 best ways to make money online in Pakistan without investment in 2022. And another topic we have here is voice recording. To earn money online in Pakistan without investing is through voice recording. If you are interested in applying for this job, you can contact high profile websites. It's a little hard but not impossible to get a job. You must find it and apply it. You will be hired if you meet the required qualifications in the online world. You can turn your passion for voice recording into a business. Manage social media accounts is another topic we will be discussing about. Many people have multiple accounts on Instagram, Facebook, and other social media sites. Such people need assistance in managing their accounts. Search and apply for such jobs if you are qualified. You can also earn in the online field by managing social media accounts. And the second method is we will now look at the second method of on the online earning money without investment in Pakistan. If you are an employer, you can find online jobs and earn money quickly. Salaries for online jobs are hourly, weekly, or monthly. In Pakistan, it is very difficult to develop a business such as a seller on Facebook, Upwork, Fiverr. Your orders depend on your luck. Some people do not receive a list of work orders as soon as the skills arrive. People like this also move towards online jobs. The best way for a guy or a student with no skills and no expertise to work online is to find online jobs and work there. Work from home jobs is always perfect by students. For instance, if you want to work online as a businessman or a seller, you must have any skill you possess. We will discuss in detail in 10 best work from home for students without experience in Pakistan. The top 10 online jobs for students are discussed in the upcoming videos. And number one we have here is online data entry. Data entry is not required. Does not require any experience. As students, we have to do a lot of homework at home. We do schoolwork at home and are familiar with Microsoft Word. Data entry means entering company information into Microsoft Excel sheets, and Microsoft Excel is a very easy program to run. In case you don't know how to run it, you can watch a YouTube video, and so you'll get all the guidance you need. There are no experience required for this job. This job can be learned quickly. And that's it for today's video. I hope you've enjoyed it. Thanks for